lovely ladies, I'm gonna show you how to do this makeup look in less than 10 minutes using no brushes whatsoever. Even if you're not a pro, you can totally nail this look. Let's go to the video. Okay, so I'm using my moisturizer. So I'm using the foundation now. I always like starting with this area, but I know everyone has a different way of doing this, but I prefer starting from my under eye and then going around. So I'm just concealing this area. So guys, here I have this nudes palette. It's from Maybelline. It's the 24K nudes. This actually helped me a lot because as a starter you really don't know what you're doing. So at that time I think this is one of the best investments I've ever made. I know I'm not using brushes today. That is the main whole concept of this video. I want to make it as simple as possible. Brushes, this and that, it can just be done in your hands. That's as simple as it is. And another hack when you're contouring, you can just see where your cheekbone comes and just go below it on a straight line towards your lips. That's what you have to focus on. You see how it just defines immediately. It just gives you like a 3D feel that there's something there, because once you put foundation, all of your face contours are gone. You don't see them. That is the main reason you have to contour your face or highlight your face, so that you actually highlight all of your features back again on your face. That's the entire process. So here I am. I'll just finish it and be back. So now doing this like defines your nose. It makes your nose feel slimmer, and most of the beauty influencers do this. Most of them really don't have that slim nose you actually think they have. It's all illusion, guys. It's illusion. So what I have done is using a darker shade in this area, so it just goes this way. So also to add more definition to it, I'll be just taking a lighter shade and going in between. What this does is this highlights it out, so this pops out and it makes it look like your nose is thinner. And then above highlighter on the nose, like, can you see that? Isn't that cute? So I'm basically doing it very light. This is just to go outside, and I don't want to make it look too cakey, too over the top. I just want it to look as natural as possible, but I know it's not going to look natural because I am going to use some different shades of red and everything in my makeup, and it doesn't look like I tried too hard. That's what I'm basically trying to do here. I'm again going to take a darker shade. I'm taking another darker shade again and just going to highlight this part. So it's a darker shade. What I'm doing is I'm just making it more prominent, my jawbones. I'll also be taking a lighter shade and going over it. So there's a darker shade and a lighter shade, and I'll blend it out. Even if you don't have a jawline, if you perfect this, you will feel like you have a jawline. That's how makeup is. It's a trick. Everything's a trick. So we're done with the base. So now I'll be moving on to the eyeshadow and stuff. So I'm a warm toned, so I have warm toned skin, so I prefer using more of yellowish tones. But since this dress also has silver on it, I'm just gonna use rose gold instead of silver, because silver kind of makes us look a bit more duller, because we are more warm toned, and golden colors look better on us. That's why I'm not going for completely silver, but I'm gonna use rose gold. And this is the palette I'm gonna use. As you guys already know, this is like my favorite palette. I carry it everywhere, so yeah, it's here. Foil Frenzy Creations from Revolution. Yeah. So I'm taking red, so I'm just gonna go from the outer corner and I'll blend it back in. So that's what we're gonna do on both the sides. It's the same process even if you do it with the brush or without the brush. See how easy it is when you're using your fingers, like really. It all just blended out like. This is why I love using fingers. If no one's watching, I would rather prefer using my fingers. So this is what I'm using. The only drawback about this eyeliner that it's not waterproof. It's very easy to use this. It doesn't, bend out so much. It just does the wings for you. You don't have to do much. All you have to do is take this, find where you want to put your wing, take that end out, and just draw a line. And then after that, go with it. This is the trick, guys. All of you start from here and then you end up with something you're not happy with. What you have to really do is start from here, mark where you would really like your wing to go up, and then from there draw it back in. That's what I usually do. And since I've drawn the outline, I'm gonna go connect this there. See where that line comes, go right over there, find how far it is, and then go inwards. You just need that point so that you can see where it is. So now I'm gonna go ahead and use this mascara. Even this is not waterproof, but this is like one of my favorite mascaras ever. It's like so old, but I still have it. Like called False Lash Superstar, and it was from L'Oreal. I have these both with me right now. And this is Lash Sensation. It's not a really good one. I feel like in the whole Maybelline range, maybe this is the one I hated the most. But I like the brush because of another reason, that it actually fans out. So this is the primer. So it comes with the primer and the mascara. So it looks really weird when you apply it, like, I mean, I could just go and become a ghost somewhere. I've applied the primer. So now this is the mascara. So I'm just gonna go fill in. And also another tip, like if you really want your lashes to go this way, just hold it like this and do your mascara. So your lashes kind of fans out that side. Now that I'm done with this, you can see that it's still not completely covered. That's why I use this. I don't use it for the mascara. I really don't like this product that much, but it's just for the brush. Wherever I feel like it has got together, I just take it and fan it out in those areas. So it just makes it more even. Now, like, can you see that? My lashes just got separated because of this. Because the other brush was actually making it go together, but this actually fanned it outwards. So I'm just using this normal compact. You can find it anywhere. In most of the, beauty stores, you will get this. It's a Fit Me in the shade Light Ivory. I know Light Ivory is not my shade, but I prefer my powders being slightly more brighter. And I'm just gonna dab it all over my face and just try to cover the uneven edges. Okay, so this is how the base looks, and this is how my eyeshadow and my eye makeup looks like. Now I'm going ahead and gonna fill out my eyebrows because it's quite uneven. This is from Etude House and it's one of my favorite eyebrow pencils. It's like, it has this applicator on this side and also a brush on this side, so it really helps me even everything out. It looks very natural compared to many other, eyebrow pencils, the creamy ones or something. It just doesn't give that look, but this looks so simple. It actually blended out on my face. Like, it doesn't feel like I've added something extra. It just looks like it's my natural, eyebrows. And that's why I really prefer using this one. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other side also. So I'm done with my eyebrows. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and use this. This is my favorite shade of lipstick. It's a beautiful red shade, and I prefer this range a lot because it really stays long, and I'm a person who really loves eating lipstick. I don't know why I do that. So by within like 15-20 minutes, all of my lipstick is out of it. So this is the only thing which really lasts all day, and this is the shade. Can you see the difference now? Just the lipstick changed everything. Till now, I think I looked like a patient, someone who's lying in the hospital or something. But as soon as you apply lipstick, it just makes your face glow. It just, finishes up the look. And even sometimes if you don't wear anything and just use a kajal or lipstick, that's more than enough to make your face good. And if you have clear skin, you don't even need foundation. That's like a beautiful advantage. So now we are also gonna highlight the cheekbones. Find that area which will actually be glowing, which you might feel is like having that protrusion there. So for me, if you can see, this is the area where I have to highlight. So I'm just gonna go there and just gonna put it slightly first, and then I'm just gonna blend it out. Just fan it out so that there's a slight, shine which is seen through. I don't like going overboard with my highlighter. I don't want it to just like hit the face. This is just like a small dewy shine. So I also like to use light blush over here. And yeah, it's again on the go makeup, so I'm not gonna use blush. I'm just gonna use my eyeshadow again. So I'm just gonna go here. I also do this. I use my lipsticks very lightly. Like I can't just... So all I have to do is like blend it out completely. This is how I do it. You just need one sponge for your entire makeup look. So it's so mild that I know you can't see much, but that's the whole point. This is something I'm gonna wear outside. It's not HD makeup. It's not something which has to be like totally flawless on camera, but in person you'll understand why I'm not going so thick or cakey, because you want it to look as natural as possible. So this is what I've done, and this is how it looks. So this is it, guys. This is how I achieved this look. Hope you liked the video. Do subscribe, share and comment, and let me know what kind of videos you want to watch next. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.